So the disadvantages of using social media in business. Well, you have to have a clear strategy in order for it to be beneficial. You can't just launch social media feeds. You need to know what you're doing with a purpose and a plan, which actually makes it difficult to measure the success sometimes of the various channels. Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. How do you know which one of those is responsible for increasing your sales, for example? So success can be difficult to measure, and a clear strategy is needed, which means you need skilled, expert staff, a social media manager to manage and update your feeds daily or even hourly perhaps. The other disadvantage is that you can sometimes get negative feedback, bad comments, information leaks from within your company about new products, or hacking of your social media account. Those are the security problems and the disadvantages of social media.